Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz and we're still on the design tab, and I want to show you just another item that we can take a look at, actually two of them. One, we want to look at the slide size, which I click on this drop down and you'll notice that it's widescreen, or the dimensions are 16 to 9. That's normally what you want. If you're doing a presentation and you want to throw it up to YouTube, that's what you want to use. You don't really want to necessarily use the standard. You could, but the widescreen is really fine to use. The main thing I wanted to teach you here is about formatting a background. Now on this particular slide, it's not really a big deal. But if we get a slide like this one with a white background, well, if we go up and click on Format Background, we can change the background color of this. I'm going to click over here on the paint bucket. I'm going to go choose a color, any color, and I just made it blue. Very simple to do. I can also do different options. I can do a gradient if I decided I wanted to do more of a gradient, a picture or a texture feel, and there's a lot of options here. So for everything you do, you grab some other options. I mean, this is always astounding to me. If you have enough time to deal with all this stuff, good for you. I always find it astounding, the number of options. And again, my opinion has always been, if I choose this, one person's going to love it, one person's going to hate it, and one person doesn't care one way or the other. So I, as a teacher, don't really spend a lot of time on this type of thing. It's just not my nature. Having said that, it's here. Use it if it appeals to you. And I thank you for being here for this tutorial. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. Bye now.